Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the flavors of Ireland. We'll be making a mouth-watering Irish spiced beef recipe that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need for this delicious dish. For our Irish spiced beef, we'll need 2 pounds of beef brisket, 2 onions, thinly sliced, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 cup of Guinness beer, optional, salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. We'll start by searing the beef to lock in all those amazing flavors. Show the beef being seared in a hot pan, with sizzling sounds. Heat up a pan with a little oil over medium-high heat. Place the beef brisket in the pan and sear it on all sides until it develops a beautiful brown crust. This step will give our Irish spiced beef that irresistible caramelized flavor. Once our beef is nicely seared, we'll transfer it to a slow cooker or a large pot. Add the sliced onions, minced garlic, bay leaves, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, and brown sugar to the slow cooker/pot. Now, let's add our aromatics and spices to the party. Throw in the thinly sliced onions, minced garlic, bay leaves, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, and brown sugar. These ingredients will infuse our beef with that distinct Irish flavor. Pour in the beef broth and Guinness beer, if using. Next, we'll add a cup of beef broth to keep our meat tender and moist. And for an extra kick of Irish spirit, you can pour in a cup of Guinness beer. This optional addition adds richness and depth to the dish. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to your taste. Remember, a little sprinkle goes a long way. Now, cover the slow cooker or pot, and let our Irish spiced beef cook on low heat for about 8 hours. This slow cooking process will work its magic, tenderizing the beef and allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Once the beef is fork tender, carefully remove it from the slow cooker or pot, and set it aside on a cutting board. Allow it to rest for a few minutes before slicing. Now comes the satisfying part, slicing our succulent Irish spiced beef. Cut the beef into thin slices, revealing that perfect pink center. Plate the sliced beef, pouring some of to serve. Arrange the slices of our Irish spiced beef on a platter, and don't forget to drizzle some of that flavorful cooking liquid over the top. It adds an extra burst of deliciousness. And there you have it, our irresistible Irish spiced beef. It's tender, full of aromatic spices, and absolutely packed with flavor. This dish is sure to impress your family and friends, whether you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day or simply craving a taste of Ireland. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious culinary adventures.